Hello everyone, welcome to the BIM Skills Academy. In this tutorial, we will understand how Dynamo is useful for automating repetitive tasks in Revit. So we need to understand first of all, Dynamo is a part of Revit. Okay. So there is one scenario here, you can check. I have sheets in the model and you can check out many sheets are available, right? So I need to, for example, let's say I'm working on this project and the manager said to rename all of these sheets into capital letters. So now my work will be to right click on one sheet and rename. Okay, so we can rename here. So instead of like small letters, I need to again say parking. You can check out deck, floor, plan, enter. So I just renamed one sheet. In the same way, again I need to right click, rename, then again rename the second sheet. So in this way, it will take a lot of time because we have so many sheets here. So I can say still in this project, whatever the sheets you see are less. For other projects, the number of sheets will be more. So it will be difficult for us to rename all the sheets. So this will become repetitive task. So using Dynamo, we can automate it. For example, if I go to Dynamo, let me open Dynamo and I will run one script here. Okay. So there is one script available, update sheet names. Okay. So if I click and you can check out, I will run the script here. So once I run the script, it says run completed. So there are no warnings in this script. And if I minimize, you can check on the right side, right? It's very nice, right? All these sheets got renamed to capital letters. Okay. So in this way, we can automate, the repetitive task, because when I, work as a repetitive task just by right clicking, rename, and then change the name, it will take maybe, let's say half an hour, for this particular task. Okay. But using Dynamo, we just completed this task in seconds, right? But again, there is a confusion that we can complete the task in seconds, but to create this script, okay, it will take time, right? Now let's say I need to, again, I got one instruction that we need to convert this, text into small case. Then again, we need to open this script. Already there is one node available here. So I can connect in this way. Okay, you see this node is for strings to lower. And if I run, you can check out run completed. If I again check here, you see all the sheet names got updated into, you can check out lowercase, right? Again in few seconds. In this way, we will be able to save a lot of time. Now, the next question is like the complete sheet name, we have into small case, but what if the letter of each word should be in capital? So now we need to create one more script. So this type of, scenarios will give us tasks to create the script in Dynamo to automate. Now again, we have one more work. Go to each and every sheet, right click, rename, and then add capital letters in front of each word. That will be again repetitive. So we can automate it. So comment below that you want to see that how to replace these small letters into capital so that we can create a video on it. Thank you for watching this video. Follow the BIM Skills Academy for these kind of insightful tips.